This video is on FIF7a using the point slope form. In this video, it's going to show you how to graph given a point and the slope, as well as write the point and slope into the slope-intercept form using the formula y minus y1 equals m and x minus x1. To graph this example, the point is 2, 3. So you're going to start at the point 2, 3. So you go to the right 2 and up 3. And then from there, you're going to take the slope. The slope is down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, and then you'll draw your line. So you just graphed your line. Now, to get it into slope-intercept form, you use the formula that was on the first page. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So what you're going to do is the first number is x1 and the second is y1. So you're going to plug those in. So you're going to have y minus y1, which is 3, equals the slope x minus x1, which is 2. Then you're going to simplify this. So this is y minus 3 on the left, and then I use distributive property on the right to get negative x plus 2, and then the last thing is I need to move this 3 over to the other side and make sure you're doing like terms. So I get y equals negative x plus 5. And that would be your answer. Example number 2 is negative 1, negative 4 for your point, and 2, 3 for your slope. So the first thing is you're going to go to the left 1 and down 4 and put a point. From there, you're going to use your slope. You're rising 2 and running 3. So up 2 over 3 and put your point. Up 2 to the right 3 and put another point, and then draw your line. Please make sure you use graph paper and you have a straight line when you're done. Now we're going to use our formula. Y minus my y1 is negative 4. I'm going to put that in parentheses, equals my slope 2/3 x minus my x1, which is negative 1, and I'm going to put that in parentheses. So now I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to have y plus 4 equals 2/3 x plus 1, because this changes to that. So now I'm going to use distributive property. Y plus 4 equals 2/3 x plus 2/3. And now I need to subtract 4. And you're going to subtract that from the fraction. So off to the side, if I have 2/3, 4 whole is 12 over 3, and we're going to subtract those. So I'm going to have negative 10/3 for my y-intercept, 2/3 equaling y. So my equation would be y equals 2/3 x minus 10/3. Example number 3 has the point negative 1, 2 and a slope of negative 1/2. So you're going to start at negative 1, 2 by going left 1 and up 2 and putting a point. From there, you're going to go down 1 to the right 2 and put a point, down 1 to the right 2 and put a point. And then connect your line. Again, use graph paper and a ruler because it'll be much more accurate. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my line. So I'm going to have y minus my y1, which is 2, equals my slope x minus x1. And real quick, I'm going to change this to positive because negative times negative is a positive. That way when I distribute, it's easier. So simplifying this, y minus 2 equals negative 1/2 times x is negative 1/2 x, and negative 1/2 times 1 is negative 1/2. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 to get y alone. Again, we have a fraction, so I'm just going to go off to the side. I have negative 1/2 plus 4/2, which would be 2. And we subtract them, so 4 minus 1 is 3 over 2. Take the sign of the bigger, which is this positive here. So this will be positive 3/2. We bring down our negative 1/2 x, and we bring down our y. And if we were to check this, our y-intercept is 3/2, so 1.5 right there, perfect. And our slope, down 1 to the right 2, and it works out. Now it's your turn to try some. Number 1 has the point 1, 1 with a slope of negative 1. Number 2 has the point negative 2/4 with a slope of negative 1/2. Number 3 has the point negative 3, negative 1 with a slope of 2/3. And number 4 has the point 1, negative 2 with a slope of 2. And that concludes the video on FIF7a point slope method.